Hello and welcome to another video on Photoshop. So in this video we're going to take a look at the pen tool and how we can use the tool to create a path which will transform into a selection. So first thing to do is to open the toy image. As you can see, the numbers are there to help you to create the necessary curves. Go to the toolbox and select the pen tool. In the options bar, if you go to the cog icon, ensure that rubber band mode is selected. So we start off with the tool. Make sure you're on layer 1 by clicking at number 1. We then click and drag to number 1's red dot. Then just simply click and lift off, then click again at number 2. Now when you drag to number 2's red dot, that will create the first curve. Next thing, just lift off and click at number 3, drag to 3's red dot, then click on number 4, drag to 4's red dot, click 5, drag to 5's red dot, click 6, and this time you can see the curve is pushing out as we drag to 6's red dot. Move around, click on 7, click on 8, click on 9, drag to 9's red dot, click 10, then a big curve coming up, click 11, and then drag to 11's red dot. A straightforward click on 12, straightforward click on 13, drag to 13's red dot, and then when we get to 1, it may bow out here. If so, you need to hold down the Alt or the Option key to prevent that happening. If it doesn't bow out, you're just basically finishing where you've started, then just press either Command or Control and Enter to turn that path into a selection. Thank you for watching.